There we go. So I just knocked my glasses off and closed the camera and it stopped recording then. So that's looking alright. Obviously this was where our beans were. And we've got our cabbages growing already. But they've been in quite a while. We'll just pull off the cover to have a look at some of them. Now they're quite nice healthy looking plants, aren't they? The old pigeons haven't managed to get to them. I'll cover them back up in a minute. And there's about, oh, I don't know, 20 odd plants there I suppose. Well, all in all, the old plot's a bit of a mess. Hello, someone's shed doors open. I wonder why that is. I'll go and have a look at that. It's looking good. It'll soon be in full production as though we'd never been away. All we need to do really is for the ground to dry out a little bit so we can get onto it. Anyway, thanks for watching everybody, and we'll see you on the next video.